Most of our smoke alarms are attached to the ceiling mount using 2 or 3 clips. Using a flathead screwdriver, push this into the slot, moving it outwards to release each clip carefully. Some of our alarms will come away from the ceiling entirely. Others, you will need to first unclip the wiring. Open the battery case either by unclicking it or where there is a small screw, unscrew it. Remove and replace the battery. Reclip the battery cover. Your alarm may beep to indicate that the battery is being replaced. Reclip this into the ceiling, making sure if you have unclipped any wires, these are reattached.